So first we need to make the machine lay down on a mat, okay? And then for the wheels, we take the 4 wheels for machine first. So I do make a wheel, for example. So we do take it in and see our technician is twisting this part, the white part, twist it in, keep twisting until it got in like this, until you can't twist it anymore. And we use this tool to make it tight enough, and then wheels are done. So we take the 4 wheels one by one for machine first, and then we make the machine up, and then we focus on here. There are 4 screws, and this side too, and the other side has this one too. The other side has this one. Okay, so we do take this, for example, and here, and then for the spring here, so we take, you will see there are 4 screws on back of the spring. So we take the screws out first, and then we do match. Actually pay attention to, it should be like this, and the spring like this. And for this cable, make this cable as a reference. So we do take this to match this, okay? Don't make it like upside down, okay? And then we match it. Take the screws in. There are 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So take them in one by one. And then we do take the cable, this cable. This cable match. You can see the match it in and twist it tight enough like this.